Everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well, and as I always say in these tea unboxings, drink your tea. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna have a sip right now. You know, I think I feel a little happier. Definitely more positive, focused. I think I have more energy. This is a specialty tea unboxing from a company that is dear to my heart, Sips By. I love Sips By, love this tea subscription box company, but this is a specialty box, and I've opened one of these specialty boxes before from Sips By. It was the Galentine's Day box of teas that I absolutely loved. I'll put a link to my Galentine's Day video that I did on Sips By down in my description box, but this is another specialty box that Sips By offers. This box is a mood boosting tea box. Yes, I said a mood boosting tea box. This was a fabulous time for Sips By to send me their mood boosting tea box because we are now in February in Boulder, Colorado, and we've got another snowstorm coming. I think I need a little bit more happiness. We are in the middle of February in Colorado and have gotten hit by many snowstorms, and I'm kind of getting sick of it right now. In this very cold winter we're having right now with all this snow, I really did need this box to kind of boost my mood a little bit. Before I tell you about my specialty box and unbox it like I always do and taste one of the teas, I'm just going to give a quick rundown of what Sips By is, because I know some people may be tuning into this video and have never seen any of my previous unboxing videos. Sips By is a tea discovery subscription box. It is a monthly tea subscription box that is delivered to your door. It is $15 per month, and there is free shipping in the United States. The way Sips By normally works for their regular subscription box is that you fill out a very in-depth quiz. You can find it on their website. I'll link their website down in my description box. And then after you fill out this quiz, Sips By actually uses an algorithm that kind of analyzes the answers to the questions that they ask you, and that kind of becomes your kind of baseline TIQ, let's say, you know, personalized just for you. And then the people actually at Sips By, before they send out those teas, look over everything just to make sure that the teas that they're sending you are the teas that they know you'll love. So I really like the way Sips By works. I like the way they personalize these boxes for each individual's tea liking. Makes every box really special for each person. But this is not their normal box. If you go on the Sips By website, you'll see at the top there's an area where you can shop. And if you click that button, you can find things like their tea boxes. You'll see regular just loose teas that they offer. You'll see tea accessories they offer, tea mugs, and then you'll also see, I think, gifts. So if you click on the tea box area, it'll take you to all their specialty boxes. You'll see one for Galentine's Day or Valentine's Day. If there's a small business that you maybe want to give a gift to, you can see that option. I think there's even a specialty box in there that is a women's owned tea brand box, which I thought was really cool. There's one in there that I really want to try. It's their chai tea box. That's another specialty box. But the box I'm going to show you today is their mood boosting tea box. And you can get these tea boxes a lot of different ways. You can pay just $15 and get one mood boosting tea box, or if you want to, you can give it as a gift to yourself or someone else. I believe there's a 3-month, a 6-month, and a 12-month Sips By box gift card that you can get. So you can get it any way you want it. Let me show you the teas that are in this box. If you have the normal or regular Sips By monthly subscription, the teas are always different, always unique. The teas in this mood boosting tea box were carefully chosen as teas that will help enhance your mood, your energy, your focus, and just make you feel a little bit of happiness. Let me tell you the teas that are included specifically in this mood boosting tea box. There are 4 types of teas. They are their happy tea, which is from a company called TEAS. There's their sweet Tangerine positive energy tea. That's from a company called Yogi. They have a Saffron Sencha tea, and that's from a company called Tahmina. And then they have an organic Serenity now tea, and that's from DAVIDsTEA. I have heard wonderful things about DAVIDsTEA, so I'm really excited about this box. Let me get to my unboxing. I will show you everything I got in the box, and then I will pick one of the teas, as always, to steep on my channel and give it kind of a taste test and let you know how I feel about it.
When Sips By comes to you in the mail, it comes in this nice cardboard recyclable box. And then when you open it up, the card inside lets you know exactly what is in the box. So for example, this is the mood boosting tea box. Every box includes one of these cards. And then when you flip over the card, it tells you exactly what you're getting in your box. As you can see, this is a box that is made for good moods. One of the teas in here is Happy, which is from the company TEAS. It also tells you the ingredients of each of the teas, if they're caffeinated or not caffeinated. And the other thing I really like is a lot of the times they include a, for example, 20% off code or some type of promo code, so that if you really do enjoy one of the teas in here, you can actually repurchase it yourself at a discount. They also include Saffron Sencha tea, which is from Tahmina. That is my medium caffeinated tea. They also include a promo code for that in case you want to repurchase it. There's an organic Serenity Now tea by DAVIDsTEA, and that is my caffeine-free tea. Also included a 20% off promo code for repurchase. Finally, I have a sweet Tangerine positive energy tea. That sounds really good too. That is my high caffeine tea. Let me show you everything that's in my box. The sweet Tangerine positive energy tea from Yogi. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of that. From Tahmina, the Saffron Sencha tea, I have 3 large packs of that. I have some loose tea, and this is the tea from David's, the Serenity Now tea. And because Sips By sent me some loose tea, they always include reusable muslin cloth disposable tea bags, which is really helpful in case you don't have anything to steep the tea in if it's loose. And then finally, 2 large packs of the Happy Tea from TEAS. So this box comes with enough tea to make 15 cups of tea. This is my box, my mood boosting box. Can you guess which tea I'm going to pick? Well, because it's nighttime and I don't want to be up all night, I think I'm going to pick the tea from DAVIDsTEA, the organic Serenity Now tea. Some of the ingredients in this are calming lavender, which helps with relaxation and also helps to quiet down your brain. Spearmint, which besides helping with digestion, is high in antioxidants and also helps improve memory and focus. It contains hibiscus, which is packed with antioxidants, also supposed to help lower blood pressure and maybe also lower blood fat levels. And strawberries and blueberries. Strawberries are great because they have cooling, calming, diuretic properties. They also help to slow down aging because they're very strong antioxidants that fight free radical damage to the skin, and they help produce happy hormones. Strawberries help to prevent homocysteines from forming in unhealthy amounts in your body. That enables the blood to deliver nutrients to your brain. When you have an unhealthy amount of homocysteines in your body, it can actually prevent your glands from producing dopamine and serotonin, which, as you know, are essential for mental health. So I really loved how Sips By chose teas that really have ingredients to help elevate your mood. Okay, I steeped my tea according to the directions. I definitely did enjoy this tea off camera. Really loved that I was able to test out some teas from DAVIDsTEA. Heard so many rave reviews about this company. I absolutely love SipSpy. Totally stand behind this company. I am never sponsored by them. I don't get paid by them. I don't make any money from anything that is sold. I just enjoy receiving their teas. I'll leave all the information for SipSpy for this box, and also I will leave a promo code that will give you $5 off your first box of a new subscription from SipSpy. Take care, guys. All the information is in my description box. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.